Hey guys, it's Istebrak. I have some announcements for you. Two huge announcements, and the first one has to do with Discord. So my limited access but public Discord group, my Discord server, has been on private forever. It's always been closed off just simply because it's really difficult to manage everything that I do while also managing Discord and policing it and making sure nobody's doing anything crazy in there because it falls under my name and I don't want anything that might, like bullying or anything associated with my group. So that's why I kept it small and vetted. And it's worked really well. We have a beautiful little Discord family. But I am now making it a public Discord, and the link is in the description. The reason I'm doing this is because one, have found a really dependable group of mods that will help me police it so that it will stay the same friendly community that we find on Discord, on Reddit. So my subreddit is where all this is coming from. My subreddit is like the mecca of the community. It is the central place where all the artists that are part of this entire thing gather to submit their work. I pick pieces from this gallery from their work and critique them. And sometimes I do dedicated 14-day challenge submissions, critique hours, and sometimes I do dedicated lighting and illustrations and storytelling. Sometimes I do figure drawing, and sometimes I do community challenges. The last one that we did was floral humanoids. It was amazing. Please look that up and watch it. But this is where it all happens from. So all the rules that you know about, no bullying, no NSFW, or if it is NSFW, please censor, absolutely no porn or anything like that, any racial discrimination of any kind, all the basic humane rules of being the normal, kind human being, all those rules will still apply to the Discord. And absolutely any rule breaking, will result in an immediate IP ban. The reason I'm so strict about it is because of what has happened in the past. Also, there will be underage people. This is a big one. Please pay attention to this one. There are underage people in my community, on my YouTube channel, on the Discord, on the subreddit, and I am 100% against posting any lewd nudity of any kind unless it is censored with a forewarning. But anything like that, there will be a special little group where you can post nudity, the text channel or something like that, that is different from the general chat. And people who are underage will know not to go in there. This isn't some kind of social gathering where you are among adults. This is an art community where you are among people of all ages. So the rules are actually pretty common sense, logical rules. As long as everybody follows them, we'll all be very happy. There's 5,000 people, almost 4.5, and there's a bunch of other people on Discord who aren't part of the Discord. On YouTube, who aren't part of the subreddit community, and because they just don't know how to use Reddit or they don't want to use Reddit. Who will be there. So we're looking at a potentially 5 to 6, even 10K, because Google Plus community was 10,000 members, I think. But I am opening the Discord for one other big reason, which is that announcements, notifications for Critique Hour are just not going out. And I've gone down to one Critique Hour a week. So just because of my health. But when I do go live, I have 100,000 plus subscribers, and I'm not getting notifications or announcements out to any of my subscribers. Like 10 people show up to a stream. 150 minimum used to show up. So I'm just a little bit peeved and demoralized and a little bit angry. And I would want at least the critique hour, and everybody messages, oh dang, I missed it, oh I didn't get a notification, and I don't know how it's still happening. I've done so many changes to my channel just so that we can get notifications out for critique hour, because it's difficult for me to show up to an empty class. It really is. So I want more notifications to go out, and I think that if you guys join the Discord community, you'll be able to have better access to a direct access, like DMs that'll go out to members of the community, active members of the community. So please join our Discord. You will not miss any more streams. You will not miss any more community challenges. It'll be really fun, and I'm actually really excited for the Discord community being active during the Halloween community challenge. That is going to be really friggin' fun, and it'll be different because we can actually talk to each other about our challenge submissions. I think more people will join just because it'll be easier to discuss things. It won't be kind of lost in the wall. And there will be a little text channel on the side that says current community challenge, all the descriptions, all the information for it, and the resource packs to download. So it'll be a very organized public Discord community equivalent of the subreddit community. So please join. Use the little link I have here on the description box. As for links, I know that links expire or can change. So the link in the description box will always be updated. So that's why I'm not showing the link on the video, because that will most likely change in the future. The link keeps updating. Sometimes I'll just refresh it and send out a new link. It'll be uploaded and attached to this video in the description. And the second announcement is the Discord community for patrons. So the patron apprentice group is a separate, very private Discord community, only through Patreon. It's separate from so just make sure you understand that it's separate from the public Discord I'm about to open, but I might merge them so that I only have one Discord server to manage, but it'll be closed off obviously in private, and the little Discord Patreon bot will take care of it. However, that Patreon bot has caused me a lot of problems. It's very glitchy. And I'm not sure if they've upgraded it or fixed it in the past. I'm not sure how it works now. People who are part of the apprentice group might want to still be involved and not have to join a million different Discords. Will still be involved in the public aspect of the Discord server. That way, you just find Istebrak, think Discord server, and there's only one server, and apprentices have their own little organized area. One problem with that is that I will lose all of the apprenticeship history, which I don't want to lose. So I don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm still thinking about all that. But speaking of my apprentices, lately we have been doing form studies. This is a small little mini assignment that precedes their July assignment, which they're working on right now. And it has to do with master studies and how to take from master studies and basically pick up on the fundamentals masters used. So I identify the fundamentals that they are taught, that they're studying, and then how to emulate them in their personal work. So that's a general description of what they're working on right now, but the little mini assignment to kind of just check in on where they are with their form study knowledge, with their form theory. This is some of the work they posted. And we talked a lot about cast shadows, the rules of shading, the rules of light as a vanishing point, all of that. So if you want to be part of this group, you want that really relaxed, but you're still held accountable for your homework. You're still expected to follow deadlines. You still have a lot of responsibility, but of course it's not like intensive, hundreds of hours on some really expensive class. This is a really low pressure environment for those who want some direction, who want to be self-taught but still want a little bit of direction. My apprenticeship is perfect for you. It goes for all levels. Like, you can see many different levels here in these form studies. You can see more advanced, complex form studies. This one is phenomenal. And then you can see stuff that's a little bit more simple shapes taken on. So you can see different levels here. We do full illustrations, we do book cover assignments, we do character design, we do portraits, we do all kinds of stuff. And at the end of the year, everyone compares at the end of the year, we do one final assignment, which is to repaint an old painting and basically compare your old skill, it could be a year ago painting, to your new skill, and we talk about what it is that you learn through the apprenticeship. So if you join now, you'll still have like 6 months of learning so that you can do that final December assignment. But I've been doing apprenticeship for what, like 6 years, 7 years, I think. And it's been a lot of fun, and it's a more relaxed way of teaching as well, because it's lots of yield. The pressure is really low and they can actually relax. They make friends. It's a small little family. And it's one of my favorite ways of teaching, because it's like they just follow me around and they watch what I do, and all of the videos and personal art that I submit, they take a look at the choices I made. That's what an apprentice is, really. They kind of just follow your art journey while also creating their own art journey, and I just tell them which fundamentals are which and do the lessons, and they get a critique hour every month. They get all my personal work, a time-lapse video, all of that. So please consider joining us on apprenticeship. It's $20 a month for all of that, as well as the private Discord, as well as the critique hours that are full length that I no longer upload on YouTube publicly. But the most important announcement is the open Discord. That's going to make things so much fun for the upcoming community challenges. And if you're curious, apprentices also do community challenges of their own, but theirs are slightly adjusted. So you're not like an island separate from the community. If you're an apprentice, you're still very much part of the community. And that's it. I hope you guys join on apprenticeship if you're interested, and I hope you guys join the public Discord at least. Please join it. That way next time I stream critique hour or a community challenge or something fun, you guys will be able to get access, and you won't be blocked by YouTube's whatever their explanation is for why they're not letting me access my subscribers. But I'll see you guys on the public Discord. Make sure you click the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next critique hour. Bye.